This 2014 Itasca Sunstar 31KE is a Class A RV. It is located in Adamsburg, Pennsylvania, 15611 and is offered for sale by RV Leaders and Camping Outlet. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Itasca is 31 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 7, Slideout, and 64 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features U-Shaped Dinette. This 2014 Itasca Sunstar 31KE is built on a Ford F53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.